Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Irini and on this channel I document the process of transforming my whole balcony into mosaic as well as other small mosaic projects. Now recently, although I am a plant killer, I mistakenly, in between quotes, bought a lot of plants and I still have them in their nursery pots, but I would love to transfer them into some decent ceramic pots. However, I don't want them to be basic, so I need to cover as many vases as possible. So in this first video, I'm going to show you 3 different vases, including the one you're seeing right now, and I will cover them with different designs of mosaic. And I would love for you to let me know at the end which one is your favorite. Now, I really hope I can manage to finish all the vases I need as soon as possible, because I really want to learn how to take care of my plants. I don't know how, actually I do know, but the reason why I kill so many plants is because I'm afraid they don't have enough water. Maybe it's something subconscious, because I, as a person, don't drink enough water during the day. I usually replace that with coffee, but I don't know, maybe it's just the Greek in me. But yeah, I have a small olive grove and I'm doing amazing with my olives compared to what they used to be when I got there. They used to be abandoned and it was like a big jungle, and my family is helping me out. My mom and dad are helping me with, well, for example, currently cutting all the old branches and making sure that there is enough energy to go around and there's not too many branches that take resources from more important branches and stuff like that. But yeah, so I am really excited to show you these designs, and let's get started. So for this first vase, I decided I will do some hills and some flowers, maybe some clouds. The ones I drew are just for reference. I might put fewer or more. We'll see. Here we are, it's the next day and I can finally grout my little vase. I also made a little plate for this one and it looks like this. So let's grout both of them. And here it is, the final result. This is vase number 2. And this is the little plate that comes with it. excited about this one. Look how cute it looks. I'm really sure, fairly sure that I won't kill this one just because it's a cacti and I know they don't need too much water. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Next, vase number 2. This time I will be using leftover pieces from this afternoon's workshop and also the leftover glue. Let's start. This is vase number 3, and for this one I will be doing some waves. So for the top part, I actually painted it black with acrylic paint, and then I used a waterproof white marker to do the waves. I wanted to try something different, so that's why I painted it instead of putting Mosaic. And I gotta admit, I really like this look, so I will probably do it a few more times in the future. So to be honest, I have to come clean, and you will notice it by the end, but the flower I'm planting right now is called fuchsia, like the color, and it's very pretty, but I did kill this one. And on the bright side, I think I'm resurrecting it. I cut all the dead branches, stems, and I can see new ones growing, so I'm really hopeful, and I will let you know in the future because I think it might survive. Another thing is, and I'm really sorry to say this, but the one I planted right now, I also kind of watered that one, so yeah. But look how pretty it used to be. So here we are. These are the pots I made in this video. The third one is the only one that doesn't have a hole for drainage, and I think that's the reason the plant is looking a bit dull. And as you can see, the last one, yeah, they are they are like overwatered, so they fainted. But in the meantime, like and subscribe, and don't forget to let me know in the comments which one is your favorite.